Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, welcome again. In the previous lecture we have learned how we can create a thread by using a thread class. So now we will understand how we can create a same execution, same kind of concept by using a runnable interface. So what we have to do, just I'm creating a one more class, my runnable thread, like this, and implement by runnable interface. You see, so because it's a interface, so interface means we have to override the method which is in interface, like this, add unimplemented method. So there is a one method only, run, that we have to override, like we have override in class. Similarly we have override in this way. Now we have to perform a task here. So I am also writing here the code which I written in a previous way, just like this, a string t name, thread name, and thread dot current thread dot get name. Here I am using this and sys out, and here you see thread name plus thread name t name, like this, and I am just putting this code under the for loop because I want to execute it same for 5 times, like this. Similar way, just put this code inside the for loop. You see, in a same way I did the code in thread, like this, same way, and here also I am performing the same task. Now my runnable thread is ready, and now I am not creating any constructor here because I have to execute this runnable thread by the thread class. So that is the must. So what I'm doing, I'm creating here in the main method, I'm creating this thread. What I'm doing, that I'm creating an object of thread class, thread rt1 runnable t1 equal to new thread. This thread class is the same, this thread class is the same, this one. So I am creating this one here, and here I am passing the object of the runnable thread. What is that? My runnable thread object. That would be, you can say, mrt1 equal to new my runnable thread, like this, object 1, and I'm passing this object here, and here I'm passing the name of the thread, runnable thread 1, like this, the name of the thread. And now I am starting it, rt1 dot start, like this. So here, because this was the subclass of thread, that's why we have started the start method. But runnable interface is not the subclass of thread. That's why when we implement the runnable in the class, this class, so we are passing the object of this class here and passing the name of the thread which we want to give and starting this. So again, if I want to create one more thread, same thing I have to do again. What I have to do, I have to create object number 2, and here object number 2, and starting the object number 2, and here I'm passing the object number 2 and I am saying the thread 2. So that way, if I comment this way. If I comment this, you see, I comment this because it was the old output, and I run this again. You see the same output we will have here. You see the output, the main thread, and enable thread 1 2 1 2 1 2, you see, and this again if run, the output is again different. So the same output which I got in the previous program by thread class, same I got by using a runnable interface just by overriding this. Now question rise many times that which one is better. And remember that in Java we only possible to create the one subclass. That means only simple inheritance or multi-level inheritance is possible, but multiple inheritance is not possible. If your class is already extended with some class, like for example I say I have a class like this, my class, and I extend this class with some another class like this, so it is not possible to extend again by using thread class. So not possible because my class is already subclass and I want to make this class as a multi-threading class. So not possible in Java to have a multiple inheritance. So what we have to do? I have to implement it. Implements runnable like this. So it will work like this because interface is possible. This runnable is possible like this. So if your class is already the subclass of another class, then you have to use the runnable interface like this. But if your class is not a subclass of any other class like this my thread is not a subclass of any other class, then you can use the thread. So both are equally good, but as a programmer point of view, we always prefer to use the interfaces. So this is the answer of your question, which one is better. So like this way you can create the thread programming by using runnable interface, and in the previous program we have learned by using thread class. In the next video we will learn the use of sleep, how we can use the sleep method. Till then,